If you are going to have personal transformation, then there is a need to make a decision. Are we together? There is a need to what? Make a decision. If you must change in a big way, then you must make big changes. To change things in a big way, you must make big changes. Are we together? You remember, it's an advice, so don't expect me to shout. Advice is conversation. To change things in a big way, you must make what? Big changes. If not, we'll be here. And for you to do that, there is something you must check. Let me go over it again, because it's an advice. I said, to change things in a big way, you must make big changes. Critically, again, very big changes. There are friends that will no longer be your friend. There are people that have access to you. You must deny them access. There are conversations you will never sit down to have. There are places you will never visit. There are calls you must block.